Hey guys, wow, it's been so long. It's been like too long, honestly. I'm gonna be showing you how to do this super simple everyday makeup look that I always do. I recently got this palette, Born This Way, The Natural Nudes by TooFaced. Look at her in all her glory. She is used and abused. I've only had her for a little bit, really. I mean, it's only been like a couple weeks and she's already got dents. So I'm just gonna get into the video. I did my base, did all that, did my eyebrows, my mascara is on. I do want to film a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows now, if you guys are interested. And also my base is a little bit different in my skin routine. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And this shade is called Swan. Usually I go in with a big fluffy brush and I kind of just keep that on the outer sides, pretty much like in here, like in the corner right here, like right under my brow. Let me bring you in a little bit. So normally I just try to keep that out here. I try not to use any shades that are going to be too dark or darker than my skin tone. I usually like to use much lighter colors because I don't want it to be blotchy, and I like to put some shadow there because for me personally, it seems that I get a lot of patchy colors around this area and around this area. So you can also use translucent powder if you'd like, but I'm just going to use this light powder or this light shadow since it's already in here. So I pretty much just set my lid in the spots that it gets patchy. And that's just personally for me. For some reason, I don't know why, I think it's like the shape of my face, how it kind of goes out here and then in there. It gets a lot of shadows right here. And I'm not, like, it's just my natural shadow. So if I try to put a darker shadow there, it will definitely show. Now I'm gonna go in with Petal and Warm Rose and use those two as a transition color. Just kind of gonna go in with a little bit of Petal first, just a little bit, and kind of go a little where I put that first lighter shade, just so I can get a better transition. And whenever you put too much, you can always just wipe it off, like dab it off with your finger. That's totally fine. A lot of people do that. And then I'm gonna go in with Warm Rose and put that more on my lid, so a little lower than that Petal shade. Just kind of go back and forth. I don't want to put it too much out here because it will be patchy. That's just with my eye shape. So it might be different with other people with different eye shapes. You can like bring it out here if you want, but I just don't think that looks good with my eye because my eyes, or my face, does kind of go flat like that. I don't really have like a wide face. I have more of a narrow face, so that's not really gonna work. I like it so far. It's very subtle and light. It's not too harsh. By the way, I was using this Morphe brush. I don't know what brush this is, but it is a big fluffy brush. It's this purple one. Sorry, that's paint on my hand. I was just painting with my kid. Now that I did that, I kind of did it on both sides. I'm gonna go in with a little fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna go in with Cocoa right there. I'm gonna dab that, and I'm just gonna put that, kind of blend it, just literally rub it on my outer corner of my eye. And I am doing this first before I do put on my Shimmer Shade. Alright, so now that I put that on the outer corner of my eye, I'm gonna go in with Rose Gold right here. And I am going for a little pinky look today. Sometimes I don't feel like going in with a pink look, so I'll go in with some of these. And they are more on the rosy kind of shade. but I still consider that like not really a pinky kind of look, but I love pink shades, so I'm obsessed with this palette. I'm gonna go in with my finger. These shimmers, oh my goodness, no words. I'm gonna go in with my finger just because I don't have my nails on right now, and I'm just going to apply that onto my lid. Look at that. Oh my god, I didn't put any Fix Plus, any water on there, and it's just beautiful. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush like that. I'm gonna pick up some Truffle Shade, just dab it in there because I don't need a lot. I'm gonna dab that on the outer corner and kind of bring it like halfway into my lid. And I am kind of going a little bit on my eyelashes just because I don't have very big lids, so I don't have a lot of room to work with, and I don't like eyeliner, so this is what I do instead. For mascara, I'm using this Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. I don't know what the name of this mascara is, but this is what it looks like. It's honestly not that great, but I hate wasting product. I hate it so much. It's so hard for me to just throw things away unless they literally look like trash. But the wand on here, it doesn't look that bad, honestly. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that because I already have mascara on. Now for lashes, if I want to do like an everyday basic look, then I will not use super big lashes just because I don't really honestly like to wear big lashes. Not all the time anyways. Sometimes I do and I feel like a bad bitch, but for the most part, I just like to do something super simple and natural. So I got these Adele lashes, and what I'll do is I will cut off, I've already cut off these two. I'll cut off the first 3 sections of the lash, and I will just put that on the outer corner of my eye, and it gives a very nice, natural looking cat eye. I mean, you could hardly tell that you have lashes on, but I think this is especially good for beginners. If you don't know how to put lashes on, I think this is an easy way to kind of get started and like merge your way into it. But what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put some lash glue on those bad boys. I don't wait that long because this is not a full band, it's such a tiny little section. I barely even wait that long. Then put it on the outer edges, kind of smush my lash and the fake lash together and let that cool off. I'm gonna use this little thing, this little guy that I actually got from TJ Maxx, and let me tell you, it is insane. So yeah, there's a little button on the back, and that's the first one, that's the second one, and that's the third one. It is amazing lighting, but it just clips on your phone like this, and I've seen it like all over the place, but TJ Maxx has these. So I'm gonna put this light on so you guys can see. It's just, I like the way it looks. It's very natural and you can't really tell. Compared to this one, see what I mean? I mean, it just gives that little cat eye effect. I just love it so much. It just makes me feel like, it gives me that extra boost of confidence that I so desperately need. Well, that is it for the tutorial. Super simple, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys so much. For those of you who have stayed subscribed to me and have waited for my content, I appreciate you immensely. I really do. That's not a joke. I really do. Have a good day. Subscribe if you are not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.